Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert online picture in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert online picture in Publisher. Now go into the insert option, then click. Now click for online picture option. Now select. Now you can see, then show the new interface, then we can see being image from search and under a personal. Now I choose from search being for image. Now search from Apple. Now keyboard press from enter. That it's now you can see, then I show the new interface from many apples in the image. Now select from an image. Now click for insert option. Now wait for end. That it's now you can see insert online picture in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for